Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
In this way, the fully Krishna-conscious Dhruva Maharaj, the exalted son of Maharaj Uttanapada, attained the summit of the three statuses of planetary systems. The exact Sanskrit terminology for Krishna consciousness is here mentioned, Krishna Parayana. Parayana means going forward. Anyone who is going forward to the goal of Krishna is called Krishna Parayana, or fully Krishna conscious. The example of Dhruva Maharaj indicates that every Krishna-conscious person can expect to reach the topmost summit of all three planetary systems within the universe. A Krishna-conscious person can occupy an exalted position beyond the imagination of any ambitious materialist.